In this video, we're going to talk about refund anticipation loans. So you might have heard of this. Tax preparation firms might offer a refund anticipation loan where they figure out that you're going to get a refund and they will give you that refund right then. As a sort of, it seems like a nice thing to do, right? Give you the money so you can go buy your new TV or whatever that you're going to spend it on. But we're going to see in this example why it's not such a good idea to take a refund anticipation loan. So you're paying a fee to get your refund when your return is filed, and then the loan is repaid when the IRS refund is sent to the firm. So they're giving you the money, and then the IRS is sending them your refund. And what we're thinking about here is the fee for doing this is equivalent to the interest charged for a loan. So instead of telling you what the interest rate is, you're paying a flat fee. And that's the key here, because this is what makes this sound appealing to people. If they told you what the interest rate was, as we will see, nobody would want to do this. So here is the schedule. The amount that you pay, the fee that you pay, depends on what your refund anticipation loan amount is. So we're going to find the annual rate of interest for a $1,100 refund anticipation loan. So you find out that you're getting a $1,100 refund. You say, great, I'll take it today. I'll go buy my new TV. And then it's going to be paid back in 30 days. So we're using a 30-day time period here, and assuming the banker's 360-day year. So we want to find the interest rate. So what we're going to do is use our, our first formula up here. The I equals P times R times T. So I'll write that. And we're using this because we know the interest amount. The interest amount is going to be the RAL fee. And so we know the interest amount, we know the principal, that's going to be the amount of the loan, and we know the time, 30 out of 360 days. So then all we need to do is solve for R. So if our loan is $1,100, using the chart here, that's going to be $49 in interest. So I'm going to plug that in for I. I'm going to plug in 1100 for P, and R is what I'm solving for, and then T is going to be 30 over 360. So again, we get that nice simplifying that happens when we use the 360 instead of 365. So I can simplify that here. That is 1/12. And now we're solving for R. So there's a few ways that you can deal with the algebra here. What I like to do when there are denominators is get rid of them by multiplying both sides by that denominator. So I'm going to multiply both sides here by 12. Use your favorite algebra methods. You can cross multiply if you like to do that too. When I multiply 12 times 49, do that on your calculator, is 588. And then equals 1,100 times R times 1, which is just the same as it is, and then divide both sides by the 1100. Again, I'm not doing 1100 divided by 12 here, although I could do that too, just to keep it so that I'm not rounding numbers unnecessarily, because that could make your answer off just a little bit and just enough so that it's marked wrong in my lab. When you get this, you may think that this is a mistake, but it's not. We are doing 3 decimal places, so on your calculator, this is what you should be rounding to, 53.455%. So you are paying over 50% annual interest to get your refund and walk out the door with it. So yeah, not a good idea. They trick you into thinking it is a good idea. by having you pay a fixed amount rather than telling you that this is the interest rate that you are paying. But it's a very high interest rate, and that's why they do this, because they are making a lot of money by giving you this kind of loan.